गोंय सरकाराच्या प्रशासनान सुमार 50,000 सरकारी कामगार लोकांची कामां करपा खातीर आसात. तातूंतले वट्ट 30% सरकारी कामगार स्वताचो धंदोय करतात. अशेंच सरकारी प्रशासनान खवदळ घालपी वक्तव्य महसूल तशेंच कामगार खात्याचो मंत्री रोहन खंवटेन शुक्रारा दीस राज्य कामगार धोरणाचेर उद्देजकां बरोबर जाल्ल्या इंटरॅक्शना वेळार केलें. इंडस्ट्री इंटरॅक्शन आनी राज्य कामगार धोरणाचेर भासाभास करपा खातीर कामगार आयुक्तालयान हो कार्यक्रम घडोवन हाडिल्लो. ताच्या उक्तावणा वेळार कामगार खात्याचो मंत्री रोहन खंवटे उलयतालो. सरकारी प्रशासनांतले 30% सरकारी कामगार स्वताचो धंदो करतात. तांणी एक तर सरकारी नोकरी करची पडटली नाजाल्यार स्वताचो धंदो सांबाळचो हें तांकांच थारावचें पडटलें अशें मंत्री उलयलो. तशेंच ह्या संबंदान मुखेलमंत्र्यान निर्णय घेवचो. हांव तांच्या नदरेक ही गजाल हाडून दितलो अशें मंत्री उलयलो.
Today government is having its own challenges. I would say, it might be a strong statement, but I would say about 30% of government employees today might be parallelly running their own businesses. 30% of government employees today might be parallelly running their own businesses. If they are self-employed, it's a very good opportunity for them, but it's time for them to decide whether they want to do a government job or whether they want to be self-employed in the side business which they do with. It's time for them to decide whether they want to do a government job or whether they want to be self-employed in the side business which they do with. And I'm going and writing a letter to the Chief Minister also now, asking him to thoroughly form a team and investigate into the people and maybe look at citizen approach also, the informers to be rewarded, because this is the time we understand that if the government person wants to be involved in side businesses, looking at self-employment, that should be his priority. We can get fresh blood. We have a lot of people looking for opportunities. Those people can find employment. This is on the government side. Coming back to the industry, if it is a vacancy pool, once we have identified the vacancy pool, the next thing we ask for skilling. A couple of pharma companies, couple of other companies we spoke to, we started skilling, but it did not take off as it was required to satisfactorily go ahead. Now we are trying to understand how to bridge this gap, and that is why we decided to form a task force where all the representatives seated here are a part of the task force. We would like to deliberate today and understand what is the serious concern. In the past few months, we have been watching the industry, maybe asking the goals to get out. I am again not differentiating. Neither am I getting into the business. But I am getting into the business of making a policy which can be a win-win situation for the industry and for the government. And this is a challenge which not only Goa takes, it is a challenge which the whole country is looking to. And as a small state, we can definitely set an example to the rest of the country to what we do here. It's very easy for us if we have the right approach and the right attitude and the right giving back to the state. I think it is a win-win for all of us. Whether it's the NCS portal or whether it's the portal under e-district or from the government side, JL has been our partner, Goa Electronics Limited. And from that particular part, we have been asking for labor and employment data. We have launched the Smart Card. The Smart Card, which was kept in abeyance in 2017 because we needed to rectify, correct and add some value to that card. We have done it and we have launched it about 8 months back. We request you all today, which is actually a compliance, to ensure that the data which the labor department and the employment department is asking from you may be compliant with. These data necessarily will give us exact details of employed, unemployed, Goans employed, non-Goans employed, and again with these data we are not getting into your business. I'm putting this line in caps. Because the fill the industry always tries to give is when we ask necessarily for some data, it is looked upon as if the industry or the government wants to pounce into the industry. And I'm making it very clear to me, to my whole team also, along with you all, that this collection of data is necessary today to have an exact bucket of understanding where we stand. Each company is having Aadhaar seated data. Each company is either having its compliances done through their HR teams. We are just asking the sharing of data to the Labor Department, which either way is a part of the procedural aspect of the Labor Department's compliances. We are asking for unemployed data, which is coming from unemployed youth, which are already started registering, and I can boast and say that we have already had migration of about 30,000 plus data coming into the system of unemployed youth as of today. So if we are able to data broken into the type of fields or the skills they have, that allows us to think how to put them across for skilling. And if they are skilled with reference to the vacancy pool you guys give when you are really can be completed with skilling to the people in the right manner to what the industry needs. Because it is always the chicken and the egg story. गोंयकार सुसेगाद, गोंयकार काम करना, गोंयकार मेळना, गोंयकार कितें सांगता. This is always the attitude which has been coming in the past. I have gone at the grassroots level and I am not able to. I differ in these opinions. I have an opinion sitting as a part of the industry, and I have an opinion as a politician, which is that if we try to put efforts to the same goal who can be skilled, he can be ready for the industry, we can create a win-win situation. And I expect this part, I wouldn't call it a challenge. I would call it the effort from both sides, from the government side and from the industry side, to come together and find a solution through a policy which will allow us to employ Goans in industries.
मंत्री रोहन खंवटेन सरकारी प्रशासनातल्या कामगारांचेर केल्लें वक्तव्य सरकारी कामगारांक आवडलें ना आसत. मात गोंयांतले तरणाटे जे बेकार आसात, जांकां ना काम ना तांचे कडेन कसलोच धंदो, तांकां मात नोकरी मेळपाची आशा दिसली आसतलीच.
30% of government employees today might be parallelly running their own businesses. It's time for them to decide whether they want to do a government job or whether they want to be self-employed in the side business which they do with.
हाचे पयलीं भलायकी खात्याचो मंत्री विश्वजीत राणेनय सरकारी इस्पितळां आनी दोतोर आसात तांकां भायर काम करपाक मेळचें ना अशें वक्तव्य केल्लें. मात उपरांत कितेंच जालें ना. आतां कामगार खात्याच्या मंत्र्यान सरकारी प्रशासनातल्या कामगारां बद्दल वक्तव्य केलां. हे भलायकी खात्यांतल्या दोतोरा संबंदान जाला तशेंच ना जाल्यार पुरो अशें बेकार तरणाट्यांचें म्हणणें आसतलें.
30% of government employees today might be parallelly running their own businesses. It's time for them to decide whether they want to do a government job or whether they want to be self-employed in the side business which they do with.
मंत्री रोहन खंवटेन केल्लें वक्तव्य खरेंच आसा, पूण तें सिद्ध करपा खातीर म्हळ्यार तांचेर कारवाय करपा खातीर मंत्र्याक आनी ताच्या टिमीक खूब कश्ट घेवचे पडटले. जायते प्रश्न उपरसतले. सरकारी नोकरी करतात तांचे धंदे तांच्या नांवार आसचे ना. प्रत्येक सरकारी खात्यान कितलेशेच विमा एजंट म्हूण आपल्या घरांतल्यांच्या नांवार विमा एजंट म्हूण वावुरतात. सरकारी नोकरी करपी मनशान धंदो करपाक जायना जाल्यार एकाच कुटुंबांतलीं दोगां तशेंच ताचे परस चड मनशां सरकारी नोकरी करपाक शकतात काय? घोव आनी बायल दोगांय सरकारी नोकरेन आसपाक शकतात काय? विमा पॉलिसी एजंट जावपाक शकतात काय? सरकारी कामाची कंत्राटां घेवपाक शकतात काय? अशे साबार प्रश्न उपरसतले. मंत्र्यान केल्लें वक्तव्य तांणी कारवाय करून चालीक लायलें जाल्यार एका घरान एक सरकारी नोकरी मेळपाक शकता. तशेंच गोंयच्या बेकार तरणाट्यांचो फुडार बरो जावं येता.